Hello, my name is Daniel Felipe Madera Cavadilla. I am a student engineer of software. She is my sister. Her name is Kelly Madera. She lives in Lorica, Córdoba, in Colombia. She is 21 years old and is a nurse. Kelly is pretty and affectionate and very friendly. He is my friend. His name is Andres Samo. He is Cuban. He lives in the United States. He is 29 years old. He is a cook. He likes to travel, dance. He is an handsome and fun boy. She is my friend, Andrea Miranda. She is from Monteria, Córdoba, Colombia. She is 25 years old. She is a teacher. She loves the beach, taking photos, and traveling. She is a very beautiful woman. He is my friend. His name is Joseph Vargas. He is from Barranquilla, Colombia. He is 27 years old. He is a liar. He likes listening to music and dance. He is intelligent. Thank you. Bye.